Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and wind your vintage Disney Bradley Mickey Mouse watch. So one of the coolest things about these vintage watches is the fact that the hands of Mickey Mouse are going to be the actual hands of the watch. So the first thing that we want to do is to set the time, and we do that by pulling the crown to the last position, just like that. And now I'm going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. Let's say that I want to make it 11 and 10. So I have 11 and 10 minutes. I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. And in this position, I can actually wind the watch by rotating the watch crown in a clockwise direction. So upwards to the right. And you can also hear the watch wind. Now when it comes to vintage mechanical watches, so manual winding mechanical watches, there is something that you need to know, and that is that at some point you are going to feel a resistance growing when it comes to winding the crown. This means that you are getting closer and closer to the maximum threshold of windings. Once the crown is going to be very hard to wind or even stop, you want to stop, because this means you have actually fully wound your movement. In case you attempt to overcome that resistance, there is a big possibility that you are going to damage or break the mainspring. So for reference, you can wind the watch for around 20 to 30 times. When it comes to vintage mechanical watches, depending when the last service was, some may only wind for a few times. That is a good indication that the watch might need a service. If the watch winds very easily, as you see right here, that is a good indication that the watch might have been already serviced, and now the watch is wound and I can put it on the wrist. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Mickey Bradley watch, and we have over 1000 vintage Disney watches. So make sure to check out the collection in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.